G'day, I'm Nick Ruddinclaw, manager at Epasco Farms, about 70 k's east of Esperance in Condinga. So we're completing our first shearing in our new shed that we've very recently finished. So yeah, we've got an 8-stand built-in shearing shed and covered yards built by Commander. So yeah, pretty pleased to see it operating, and yeah, all good. Yeah, so we're a large merino producer. We've still got confidence in the industry. All our infrastructure was starting to get to the point where it was worn out and not fit for purpose anymore. So we decided to leap on in and build a new shed. So yeah, we've just done that. So it's good. Talked to a couple of different people around, and just I guess mainly local WA, large scale production outfit that could put a project like this together, and willingness to sort of work with us and get the things we wanted in a shed together. So just like to thank Hamish and Brody. They sort of got us going, and as I say, got a basic design down for us, and then we changed. We were pretty keen to incorporate sort of the latest AWI stuff with yeah, the sloping catching pins and straight drag and good portals. As shearing's a hard enough job for the shearers as it is, so we wanted to try and make it as easy as we could. So yeah, we've got front field catching pins, and we've got good, nice high workstations, so it's easy to get sheep out underneath and back out into the yards, and incorporating the covered yards over the top is going to make it good for our crew to stay out of the elements, and yeah, the Commander yards are working really well as well. So we managed to fit it all into the previous site. We had a couple of constraints with power lines and topography, so yeah, Hamish sort of helped us with that, and we changed stuff around to get it to where we wanted it. So yeah, you know, great. Nothing was a problem. Changes were made as we needed them, and yeah, really good crew, and the install team were great. They yeah, toiled away and got it done. We fitted in with some pretty tight constraints with concrete, having to batch concrete on site and get yards built so we could concrete around it, and they worked really well pushing into Christmas and stuff. So no, it was awesome.
Really good job. It's a really
Cool.
good share.
Yeah.